focused in here.
Alright, this is a plug right here. This plug.
Well, now I gotta get this out on full.
Alright.
Okay, now let me get it back to wide angle.
Now this is a plug.
Pat, where's that light that you're gonna be using? Showing. There's that light on the floor. It's not enough. It's dark in here.
Yeah. What are you doing with it? Here,
Okay.
Sonny. What is this plug for now?
Wait, Bonnie. No, show this. You stand back to that light. All I want to do is, I want to show that this one circuit goes over this way, goes down to this plug,
Plug right here.
and it comes back up,
And then it
goes
goes
over.
to here.
No, it goes over there, and it comes back down through the wall.
Down
And feeds,
to
no,
here.
this here plug right there, Rich.
Down to here.
That's it. Feeds that plug there. Now, so far that's 2 plugs.
Then it comes
Watch out, Bonnie, you're away.
Then it
That
comes.
one there is supposed to be for the microwave,
Yeah.
and this one here will just be a counter plug.
It comes.
But then it goes from there, the wire goes up and over and comes down to the hood wire. Now that's all on the one
Be
circuit.
flashing that light.
That's one circuit. Now, there's another circuit coming in here.
Goes through here.
Now wait, that's this circuit here going near where the sink is going to be. It goes there and feeds down. Wait a minute. Wait, Bonnie.
Jack is pointing.
Wait. It comes down to here, and this is going to be the plug behind the sink, in the corner of the sink.
Studio 2.
Yeah, then it's going to come up here, then goes over, and it comes down and feeds that plug that's going to be above the cabinet. And then it goes from there, watch out, Bunny. Then it comes down here and feeds the plug. It's going to be again for the counter space. So that's another circuit. Now we have another circuit. Now this one is going to be the center light for the kitchen. It goes over to here. It picks up another light
Vaughn.
that's going to be over the table.
You want to hold that
Like,
there?
down with the light, Pat. Pat, down with the light. Down. Now that goes there. They both go down to what's going to be the switch.
Two switches.
The 2 switches.
This will be the switch for
And the
there.
feed for that comes up here, and it goes out through the hallway on the other
Take
side.
that light.
I don't know yet where that's going to go, but it's
Take
going to
that
be
light.
tapped onto something else.
Right here.
So that's another circuit.
And then the other
You know
one
what
goes
it's connected
to
to.
that
Jackie
light.
gets work. Take that light from Jackie.
Now, this here is going to be the window towards the bathroom,
Take that light from
right
We're gonna
here.
plot this up right here. Light over there.
And there's going to be,
Take that light!
Too much light over there.
this is on here.
Oh my God.
Okay,
I
Talk about a bash him in the face.
okay,
Yeah, but that's light. So much light. You know I should get light from that.
okay,
Take
fine.
that light, Vaughn.
Yeah.
Okay, now there's a plug here that's going to be for the counter, plus a switch that's going to go up through there
And right
and
here.
feeds over there and feeds the light that's going to be,
You break it, Paul.
the light that's going to be over the sink. Now that's going to be on one circuit. In other words, from the light in the sink, it's going to come over, down to the switch,